Alright, so here we go. We have here this contraption I created where I'm sensing this high limit switch. This high limit switch is rated as cutting out at 170 degrees and then closing back at 150. It was removed from a troublesome furnace, a modulating gas furnace on the infinity tier. So I want to go ahead and test it and see if it's prematurely opening. I have two probes pertaining to the field piece. We have here 72.9 and 72.1, thereabouts. And then this is going to be pinging. Once it opens, we'll know, and we'll identify it by the temperature. I also have here another third-party thermometer. It's reading presently at 71.2. And we're going to see what we get. Let's start. So we're at 85 right now. It's sensing. 114, 117. So we're at 155 degrees. 174. It's still close. 175. 190. Still close. 184. 216 on this thermometer. 170, 27 thereabouts. And it's still close. Compressor. 20. 230 according to this thermometer, and these are at 200 now. One of them just broke 200. Oh well. There we go. Not sure when that OL hit. We'll look at the video. Now let's see it as it returns back to normality. So right now we're at 192, dropping. Right there we're at 134, and then at 134 it just closed. This one sensing 170. That may be maybe because it's upstream and has more of that sensing bulb exposed to the direct heat, so it's sensing radiant heat as well. Let's see. Let's go ahead and try it again. What temperature is it going to open at? It's 117 right now. $170. We're steering the wood over here. $195. $200. Going once. Oh, it opens at 210. So that's a higher than normal cutout. It's supposed to be opening at 170, but presently we're reading about 200.